Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. So you're showing some update issue. Your system is not updating. Your laptop is not running. So how to fix? Firstly, click to start button, then type setting. Okay. Uh, Scroll down. Troubleshoot. This is first solutions. Other troubleshoots or Windows troubleshoot run. Okay. So actually basically this is Windows update and troubleshoot options to click to run. Okay, now all services has restarting, restoring. Okay, and check. So please wait few minutes. I skip this step. Okay, when it is finished, so you close. So troubleshoot option is finished. So next, Windows R, type percentage temp percentage and then enter. Okay, select all, shift delete. This is guys actually temp file. This not required to Windows. Okay, so use delete permanently. Permanently delete. You can try again. If not deleting, so you can check and escape because this file is working right now for systems. Okay, then close it. Okay, then again open this PC. Right click to C drive. Okay, show more properties, disk cleanup. Okay, so download file, and so you check downloaded program file and temporary internet file or update error reporting. So you checked, and then clean systems. So you can click to clean up the system file, and then okay. So now this is services is working. Clean up and calculating what is your temp and junk, your updated. It is not required for systems. Okay, and then showing this step. Okay, delete file, delete. Now this is clean up. Okay, then close. Then guys, I have four command to solve your problem. Type cmd and please right click to run as administrator. Okay, then click to yes. Type sfc space slash scan now, then enter, and then enter. So one of this and three command I have, so I will give you, so you can type one by one and solve your problem. So just guys, this command already I used. Okay, now this is working, doing 4%, and use then this command, then this command, and then this command, and then please restart your system. 100% you are working, guarantee. Okay, and have any issues, so please comment me. I quickly respond your questions. Okay, bye bye, take care.